Hey everyone, so I've pulled a card for you all out there today asking, what do you need to do to calm any anxiety that you might be feeling at the moment? And the King of Wands came through. And that is all about calming that fiery part of you. That part of you that, with the anxiety, what it is it's that really, really fiery energy. It's the flight or fight response, right? And so it's that energy that's burning inside of you. And so you need to find a way to release that energy or calm it down, or like I would say the best thing to do is actually to release the energy. So you can do that by going for a run, doing some exercise, boxing in a boxing bag, screaming into a pillow, going for a run, shaking your body, like getting that energy out of you. Because what's happening is it's like you've got too much flight or fight energy, right, in you, and it's making the anxiety even worse. But if you actually release that pent-up energy, that fiery energy, that will help to calm that anxiety down. So I hope that makes sense. Basically, you've just got too much fiery energy going on within you, and what you need to do is get that out to calm it down, but get it out safely without hurting anyone else, of course, and just doing it in a way that's productive and, that helps you release that energy out of you. And I reckon that'll calm down the energy. Let me know if you're going to do that today. Make sure you subscribe, like, and hit the bell so you get notified of the upcoming readings and videos that I'm doing. Alrighty, see ya.